My name is Jose Manzaneque. I'm a senior solution engineer at VMware. I've been working here for the past 4 years and involved with hands-on lab program for the last 3. I'm a lab captain for the vSphere with Tanzu hands-on lab. The vSphere with Tanzu hands-on lab will be very useful for system administrators that want to deploy containers in their existing infrastructure. In this hands-on lab, they will learn how to deploy containers, how to create their own container images, and how to convert their existing vSphere cluster so it can work as a Kubernetes cluster. vSphere administrators can supercharge their existing vSphere cluster to also enable them to run container-based applications. And besides that, they will find this hands-on lab very useful to learn how to create container images, how to upload them to an image registry, and how to run these container images in the Kubernetes clusters that are created by vSphere with Tanzu. This lab has been updated for the last 3 years, and it showcases very interesting use cases. For example, how to deploy machine learning applications that use GPUs. Also, how to deploy virtual machines that can coexist with the containers in the same platform. Administrators can learn how to deploy these containers, but also how to connect these containers to VM-based applications. If you need to run containers in your existing infrastructure and you already have a vSphere cluster, I recommend the vSphere with Tanzu hands-on lab because you will learn how to supercharge your vSphere cluster so it can also run container-based applications. Besides that, you will also learn how to create your own container images and how to run them in the same platform alongside the virtual machines.